Fogg here, and today we will be baking my personal favorite chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so today you will need 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is 2 sticks of butter, a half a cup of light brown sugar, 1.5 cup of light brown sugar, a half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla. This is a secret ingredient to my chocolate chip cookies, okay? Maple syrup, and you need 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Everybody got syrup in their house, so I'm sure you have it. 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and you know I have my kitchen scale, so that'll be 415 grams of flour. 1 teaspoon of salt, and I like to get a little variety of the chocolate chips, so you need 1 cup of mini chocolate chips and 1 cup of regular size semi-sweet chocolate chips. You also need cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I've already pre-measured my 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking soda already, so that's what's in here. So first you'll need to melt your unsalted butter, and you'll need 2 bowls for this, and you really don't need a mixer, so I didn't even bring out my mixer today. So you'll just need to go ahead and pour your melted butter into a large bowl. And then you'll mix in your half a cup of sugar. Make sure your butter is not super hot because it'll instantly melt your sugar. So you want to cool it probably about 3 to 5 minutes after you have melted it. ahead and measure out our flour. Again, you need 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or 415 grams. So I'm just gonna pour mine into my bowl because I have my scale. Again, this is my cornstarch and baking soda already mixed together, and that was 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so you'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that a little mix. Okay, now we can gradually add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Okay, so I'm human and I forgot to add in our light brown sugar, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in now and just make sure I fully incorporate it so that I don't see it at all in the batter. The reason why we add it with the melted butter is so that it will dissolve easier. So right now I just have to work a little harder to get it incorporated into our batter, and that's okay. Things happen. It'll all work out in the end. I just got to do a little extra work. you only need 2 cups of chocolate chips for this recipe, but because I have 2 different kinds of chocolate chips, I'm gonna do 1 cup of each one. Easier on myself, I'm gonna go ahead and give that a stir. Cookie dough. So you'll have to chill this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Right now you can go ahead and preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Cover this in clear plastic, pop it in the fridge, and in about 30 minutes you can put it in the oven. Okay, so now that our cookie batter has chilled for 30 minutes, it's time to go ahead and bake them. So what you do, you just take a nice size amount of cookie dough. Make sure your hands are clean. You'll roll your cookie dough in a ball, like so, and just place it on your cookie sheet. If you do not have a silicone mat like I do, you can use parchment paper or an ungreased cookie sheet. For 13 minutes. Okay, so now 13 minutes have passed. We've taken our cookies out. They're gonna look a bit underdone, but that's exactly how you want them to look. Because the pan is still hot, it's still gonna continue to cook it a bit, and you don't want your cookies to dry out and be hard. You want your cookies to be chewy and delicious. Now you have the option to go back with those extra chocolate chips and put them on the top if you like. I've already put them away, so we're not gonna do that today. But here's our cookies. We're gonna let them cool, and then we're gonna eat them and enjoy them. Okay, now that our cookies have cooled off, it is time to eat them. You can have them with a glass of milk if you like, some juice, whatever, but today I'm just gonna eat them. Oh, it is so delicious. That's really good. I hope your cookies come out just as good as mine, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You know, you can contact me at Shugga Shack Sweets on all platforms, Facebook and Instagram, or you can email me at shuggashacksweets@gmail.com. See you next time.